What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Specifically, it's in regards to what happened this morning and is happening today, which is basically retesting major resistance. Now, if we see this close above these resistances tonight, then we're going to be having some buying opportunity, as I would suspect to see a pretty solid explosion bull run to follow pursue right after. Now, for example, you can see on XRP really quickly as of this morning, we are currently retesting major price ceiling resistance. Same thing goes with Ethereum as of last night and this morning. Bitcoin hasn't done it just yet, but you can see we are filling in the gap on our ascending triangle, with a decision to come very, very, very soon. The S&P continuing to head up higher, which is nuts as always here, and then pretty much trying to figure out when this breakout is going to come and how high it could potentially move to. Now, I'm going to show you all these examples in a second, but before we do, I just want to, remind you guys again that we are doing a BidFi Crypto TV giveaway for an Amazon gift card, as you guys can see here, some keychains, as well as a BidFi XL t-shirt. All you have to do to enter this, which is completely free, is literally click the link in the description below. As you guys can see, we have the Gleam page right here, which is how you can enter for multiple entries, and it's literally free. It costs you nothing to enter it, so you might as well do it. There's currently 70 entries with only 3 days left in the giveaway, which is pretty nuts. Over 2,000 people view this, but only 70 entries. It doesn't really make sense to me, but that's fine. Like I said, it's free money and you're just going to miss out. But make sure to check it out. All you have to do is obviously subscribe to the channel by clicking here, visit and subscribe, and then sign up to BidFi because it's literally free. Literally sign up to the exchange, just create an account, trade if you'd like, because you can earn some free cryptocurrency, but that's all you have to do. Now, with that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's episode. So guys, yesterday we made a video basically tracking a major pump that's coming. Specifically, I believe this was on Bitcoin. Yep, Bitcoin had the ascending triangle here. We also discovered a much bigger bull flag formation that was forming on XRP, the 5th bull flag here, which is pretty incredible if you ask me. And now we're going to be looking at some other, technical indicators that are starting to appear. You can see specifically XRP, like I said, we had this massive 5th bull flag. We're going to track this and talk about this in a second. We then have Ethereum's beautiful ascending triangle, which is forming a breakout outside its very small bull flag. We have Bitcoin's ascending triangle as well. So lots of things to look at and discuss and go over in today's video. You can also see a quick refresh of the current coin market cap reveals 1.68 trillion, 73 on the fear and greed index, not doing too bad across the board here. But you can see that we're doing pretty good actually, with Ethereum up 6%, BNB's up 22, Solana's up 17, XRP's only up 3. It's crazy how these cryptos, I mean, the top 10, if you wanted to build a portfolio, maybe even the top 12 or the top 15 would just be like a solidly built community. I'd say the top 12 or 13 look really good across the board here. They're all doing incredibly well here. Some are like major cryptos like Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum kind of float with each other. But then you have things like Cardano, or even like Solana and BNB, which are kind of separate, but I'm always seeing them pump to the upside constantly here. Same thing with Polygon too, as a lot of exchanges and cryptocurrencies are on that blockchain, which is nuts. So everything is starting to rally up higher quite substantially within the altcoin community here, and it's pretty much like having blue chips and then like kind of other sectors here within like exchange cryptocurrencies and stuff like that. But moving forward and diving into the technical analysis, we do have to look at, and remember, BidFi giveaway, make sure to check it out. But more so, these altcoin indicators that are forming here, you can see specifically XRP has its 5th bull flag, and we're pretty much coming to an end on this. You can see here we've had numerous, bull flags in the past year with a beautiful bull flag. We have the flagpole and then the flag itself. I'll zoom in so you guys can see it. You can see the flagpole with the flag itself downwards here. And then we have the breakout at the end of it. Once we get to the end right here, I'll draw it again, we break out. And then we have the next one, bull flag, the flagpole, the flag itself, breakout, explodes to the upside. Flagpole, flag itself right here, breakout to the upside. Continuing it even further, we have the breakout, the flagpole, the flag itself, breaks to the upside here. And then the last one, which we're currently dealing with today, which originally we had drawn as two kind of formations here. We had it as a 5 and a 6, two kind of very small bull flags. You can see the first one was the flagpole. This was ideally the flag itself. This was the breakout here. And then this was the next one. or the breakout, we notice, hey, that's happening all within a much bigger bull flag formation. This actually might be the fifth wave here. Granted, we were tracking these crazy early, so we didn't actually see what was forming until we started to have more time go by, and then we noticed there is definitely a downtrend of resistance, and there is definitely a support here, which we can use to pretty much track where exactly we're going to be moving to. So the fact of the matter is, with these lower high, lower low formations here within the bull flag, with a clearly defined resistance and a clearly defined support, we're pretty much waiting for the end game to decide here. And right now, we are retesting it as of today. Whether that breakout happens today or in another couple of days, it's up for debate, but we are getting very close to seeing this happen here. There's really not much more movement left and room left for this to decide. So we could break out as early as today, or as late as potentially like the 14th of January here. But somewhere in here, we're going to be floating around. We have a beautiful moving average, a yellow support, a blue support, an uptrend, and a green support here. Everything is literally riding on a breakout to come very soon here, as long as we start to fill in this gap. But simply put, it doesn't even matter at that point when this or how long this takes. It's really just when we break through this price ceiling. If the yellow band can be broken, like what we tried to do today, if we can close above this resistance, that's the opportunity to buy in and long. Once we close a daily above this resistance, because you can see the immediate flares of rejection that have happened currently. So once closure happens above that, we'll be able to buy in, obviously taking advantage of this on BidFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. BidFi has allowed me to buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Like I said, all you have to do to enter the giveaway here to get the free Amazon gift card giveaway is literally signing up to BidFi, which is free, and then registering, like I said, on Gleam, so I know. And then moving forward from that, not only can you, sign up for free for a chance to win a gift card, we're also doing for the holidays, there's also a way to earn up to $2,888 completely free. So gift card for the holidays, and then you have a way of earning free cryptocurrency on the exchange itself by signing up with that link down in the description below. And then more so, they even have a demo account, which allows you to trade around completely risk-free, get familiar, track your trades, trade similar to I am here, and you can, pretty much practice my trades, practice your trades, and if you can consistently do this, maybe 4, 5, 10 times in a row, or I'd say 10 is a lot, but if you do 4 or 5, consecutive positive trades where you make a profit, then you're ready to use the real live account and trade around completely, or trade around with real cryptocurrency, which is pretty awesome. But moving forward from that, we'll go back to XRP really quickly here. So that's pretty much what we're waiting for. We're able to put in, if we go right here to XRP, you go to derivatives, USDTM, click XRP, and this will get brought up here. We're going to be able to put in that trade, a long position tracking. You can see here, if we just draw in really quickly, here's the downtrend, here's the support. You could see this bull flag forming here. Once we break through, once we breach this top resistance or this bottom support at any point here, we can buy in and long to the upside, or buy in and short to the downside here using the long and short position options on BidFi here. But moving forward, sorry, I get super distracted because I'm babysitting 2 dogs that are right under my feet. So it does make my mind, I got to make sure they're, not, tearing the apartment apart or tearing up my setup right here. So I'm sorry if I've been distracted yesterday or the day before or even today, because they're just running around below my feet that you can't see or hear with my microphone. But if you don't believe me, here's one right under my feet, and there's the other running around causing mayhem in my office. Anywho's, moving forward from that here, you can see Ethereum right now is also in an uptrend here. We have a beautiful uptrend right here, a beautiful price ceiling right here. And as we fill in the gap here, a decision is going to have to be made. And we're going to figure out when that actually comes here. We have a beautiful price ceiling that we broke through. And this is kind of the pattern that we're looking for to happen here, which might actually happen today, as we kind of broke above it yesterday. I would kind of rule it out for right now. I'd say today is the more important one. If we can close above this today, then we might get in for a long position here. I'd be pretty excited, taking a risk, throwing some money into Ethereum and longing this to the upside. But let's let this pan out today, and then we'll make that decision a little bit later. As for Bitcoin, same thing. We have a beautiful ascending triangle here. Let's let this fill in the gap. once the gap has been filled and we can break through price ceiling, we can buy in and long it to the upside on the daily. Or if we break through the resistance here, or sorry, the support, we can buy in and short it down to moving average, which would probably catch up to here. Lastly, looking at the S&P, I mean, we just keep pumping higher, but we are overbought, as you can see right here. Truly what we're waiting for is probably a dip, maybe not that low, but consolidation nonetheless, very similar to what I've predicted here. And then we'll head up even higher. So that's pretty much where my head's at right now. A bit of consolidation, lower ourselves on the RSI, and then we'll head up even higher. But with that being said, make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.